Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. For the liquid components, have 2 ounces of white rum and 4 to 6 ounces of chilled club soda ready. Don't forget a generous amount of crushed ice to make your drink perfectly refreshing. These simple items are all you need to start crafting your delicious cocktail. Now, let's get to the heart of the mojito, muddling. Take your 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and place them into a sturdy highball glass. Add 4 to 6 lime wedges and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar directly over the mint and lime. Using a muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients for about 10 to 15 seconds. The goal is to release the aromatic oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, not to shred the leaves. With your muddled base ready, it's time to chill things down. Fill your glass completely to the brim with crushed ice. This ensures your mojito stays perfectly cold and refreshing. Next, carefully pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum over the muddled mint, lime, and sugar mixture. Finally, top off your drink with 4 to 6 ounces of chilled club soda. Give it a gentle stir to evenly distribute all those wonderful flavors throughout the glass. Your homemade mojito is almost complete. For the perfect finishing touch, garnish your drink with a fresh sprig of mint. A gentle clap of the mint between your hands before adding it can release even more aroma. You can also add a lime wedge or wheel to the rim of the glass for an extra touch of citrus. Serve your beautifully crafted mojito immediately and savor its crisp, refreshing, and vibrant flavors. Cheers to your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.